Calibers come and go. One year it's the latest high-speed, low-drag miracle round. The next, a ghost caliber you can't even find on a shelf. But through every tactical trend and ammo shortage, the 357 Magnum remains. It's the undisputed king of the one-gun philosophy. Powerful enough for the deep woods, controllable enough for home defense, and mechanically simple enough for a lifetime of service. But which models actually deserve a permanent spot in your safe? Today, we're counting down the 10 greatest 357 Magnums ever built. Before we dive in, let's set the ground rules. We aren't ranking these just on shiny finishes or price tags. We're judging based on historical impact, everyday utility, and raw, unbreakable durability. That means some expensive safe queens might get beat out by rugged, everyday workhorses. Let's get into it. Number 10. Kimber K6s. If you carry concealed, you know the snub-nosed dilemma. Most carry revolvers are either too bulky to hide or so small they only hold 5 rounds and kick like a mule. Enter the Kimber K6s. Known for high-end 1911s, Kimber applied that no-compromise engineering to the wheelgun market in 2016. By shrinking the cylinder diameter to the absolute mechanical limit, they created the world's thinnest 6-shot 357 Magnum, bridging the gap between deep concealment and duty-grade firepower. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it features an internal sear engineered for a smooth, non-stacking match-grade trigger pull right out of the box. Instead of tiny fixed sight bumps, the K6s gives you a real 3-dot setup. Best of all, it delivers a smooth, controlled push rather than a punishing snap, keeping you naturally on target. Expect to spend between $950 and $1,150. Number 9. Colt King Cobra. Speaking of modern carry guns, let's look at a resurrected classic. Introduced in 1986, the King Cobra was Colt's answer to the massive law enforcement market. While their Python was the expensive showpiece, the King Cobra was a durable, stainless steel beast meant for rugged holsters and patrol cars. Colt resurrected the nameplate in 2019, completely re-engineering the platform. Constructed from high-strength stainless steel with a brushed finish, it offers serious corrosion resistance. Its linear leaf spring trigger system gives you incredibly uniform pull characteristics, and that full underlug barrel puts just enough weight at the muzzle to naturally tame recoil. If you want a revolver that handles like a custom gun but can take a beating, this is your ticket. Positioned as a more accessible entry into Colt's snake gun line, you can expect to pay between $900 and $1,100. Number 8. Ruger Security 6. In the early 1970s, Ruger wanted to pick a fight with the big boys in the law enforcement market. Competitors' revolvers were comfortable but could be delicate if fed a steady diet of hot magnums. Ruger's answer was the Security 6, designed from the ground up to be an indestructible alternative. This was Ruger's first double-action revolver to use a radical new design, eliminating the side plate. By creating a solid-frame vault, they built a remarkably strong wheel gun with no tiny screws to vibrate loose under heavy fire. The modular design lets you pop out the entire trigger mechanism for field cleaning using just a coin, and the transfer bar safety makes it completely drop-safe. It's the perfect choice for the shooter who values zero extra fluff. Though out of production, these rock-solid revolvers hit the secondary market between $550 and $750. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Model 19. While Ruger built literal tanks, Smith & Wesson built a peace officer's dream. In the mid-1950s, legendary Border Patrolman Bill Jordan was frustrated. Lawmen had to choose between lugging around the heavy N-frame all day or carrying the lighter K-frame stuck with less powerful .38 specials. Jordan pushed for the ultimate compromise, a K-frame with a heavy barrel and shrouded extractor, made from heat-treated steel to handle the 357 Magnum. In 1955, the Model 19 was born, quickly becoming the most iconic police sidearm of the 20th century. Driven by a traditional leaf mainspring, it delivers that legendary Smith & Wesson glass rod trigger brake. It shines because of its incredible balance, pointing naturally and rewarding good shooting mechanics. New classic versions run $850 to $1,100, while prime older pre-lock models fetch $900 to $1,500. Number 6. Ruger Blackhawk. What if you're deep in bear country and need a gun that thrives on bone-rattling loads? In 1955, Bill Ruger modernized the classic frontier gun by replacing fragile flat springs with virtually unbreakable coil springs and investment-cast chrome moly steel. By 1973, it evolved into the new model, introducing a revolutionary transfer bar safety that finally allowed safe carry with all 6 chambers loaded. The Blackhawk is defined by its massive, solid top strap and fully adjustable target sights, letting you zero it for anything from light 38s to heavy 180-grain bear defense rounds. Choosing the Blackhawk is about owning a machine without an expiration date. It trades tactical complexity for rugged reliability, encouraging a slower, mindful pace of shooting. This iconic piece of Americana costs $850 to $1,050 new, or $500 to $650 used. We are officially entering the top 5. If your absolute favorite .357 Magnum hasn't shown up yet, pause the video and drop a comment right now with your guess for the number 1 spot. Let's see who really knows their wheel guns. Number 5. Manurhin MR73. Crossing the pond, we find absolute, unadulterated precision. Number 5 is a machine designed to be fired 100 times a day, every day, for decades. After the tragedy at the Munich Olympics, France's elite counterterrorism unit, GIGN, realized standard duty guns couldn't survive their intense training regimen of 100 full-power Magnums daily. They partnered with Manurhin to build a revolver from ordnance-certified alloyed steel, proof-tested at 30% above maximum allowable pressure limits. Its most unique feature is the trigger mechanism, which uses a separate flat spring and roller-bearing slider system. This eliminates friction and allows independent adjustment of the hammer spring and trigger return, customization usually reserved for sniper rifles. The MR73 is for shooters who believe a firearm should be a once-in-a-lifetime purchase. Performance at this tier is steep, $4,300 to $4,800 new, or around $2,500 used. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Model 686. If the MR73 is a boutique European sniper rifle, the Model 686 is America's heavy-duty answer to high-volume shooting. In the late 1970s, law enforcement noticed their K-frames struggled with the long-term stress of ultra-fast Magnum rounds. Smith & Wesson solved this in 1981 by introducing the L-frame. The 686 was the stainless steel flagship, a beefed-up revolver with a larger forcing cone and thicker frame, designed to be as accurate as a target pistol but tough as a mountain. Forged from high-grade stainless steel, its recognizable full-length barrel underlug adds weight exactly where you need it to fight muzzle flip. When you pull the trigger, the gun just sits dead in your hands. Inside, the classic leaf spring system provides a smooth double-action pull and an industry benchmark single-action brake. A brand new 686 runs between $950 and $1,150. Number 3. Smith & Wesson Model 27. Without this granddaddy, the .357 Magnum wouldn't even exist. The Model 27 is the direct descendant of the 1935 registered Magnum, the very first firearm chambered for the .357 Magnum cartridge. Launched during the gangster era, this was a custom order-only piece. To handle the explosive pressures of the brand new round, Smith & Wesson built it on their largest, heaviest end frame. While a stripped-down version was later made for beat cops, the Model 27 remained the high-polish, premium choice for elite lawmen. When you pick it up, you feel the substantial mass of forged carbon steel. The finely checkered top strap and barrel rib minimize glare while screaming old-world craftsmanship. The Model 27 is for the purist wanting a refined, historical experience where every mechanical action feels intentional. A modern Classics Model 27 goes for $1,249 to $1,299. Number 2. Colt Python. You knew this was coming. Introduced in 1955, the Colt Python is the legendary masterpiece known for the smoothest out-of-the-box action in handgun history. Intended as the ultimate premium combat magnum, it earned a reputation as the finest production handgun ever made, thanks to hand-fitted internals and that famously deep royal blue finish. Original production ceased in 2005, but Colt brought it back in 2020. They completely re-engineered it, adding 30% more stainless steel in the upper frame to make it drastically stronger than the original. Instantly recognizable by its ventilated top rib and full-length underlug, the real magic is the trigger. A simplified, robust leaf spring provides a consistent, stacking-free pull. It's perfectly balanced, making a heavy gun feel surprisingly nimble. Today's Python is priced at $1,499 for standard stainless, or roughly $1,599 for a blued finish. Number 1. Ruger GP100. What beats the legendary Python or the historical Model 27? Remember our criteria: historical impact, utility, and unbreakable durability. When it comes to being unbreakable, nothing touches the Ruger GP100. Introduced in 1985, Ruger took what they learned from the Security 6 and bulked it up. Utilizing a solid frame construction with no delicate side plates, they created an absolute anvil of a firearm that can digest an infinite diet of full-power magnums. It takes the number 1 spot because of its triple locking cylinder mechanism. A massive lever on the crane locks the assembly directly into the frame, guaranteeing perfect timing even under extreme pressure. Furthermore, a unique grip peg allows you to swap grips to perfectly match your hand size. Whether you're dealing with harsh outdoor elements or the hottest bear loads, the GP100 doesn't rattle, and it doesn't break. Prices range from $979 for blued models up to $1,900 for high-end Super GP100s. We've just covered some of the greatest engineering achievements in firearms history. Even with all the new polymer designs and micro-compacts flooding the market today, these 357 Magnums still stand at the absolute top of the mountain. They were built for longevity and reliability, not internet gimmicks. When you holster one of these, you are trusting your life to decades of proven performance. So, I have to ask, if you could only take one of these into the field to trust with your life, what would it be? Would it be the timeless Smith & Wesson Model 27? The modernized workhorse 686? Or the unbreakable GP100? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one. And hey, if you're looking for the absolute best holster to carry these heavy hitters, click the video on your screen right now. See you over there, and stay safe.